Okay, what we're working with today is another way to prove triangles similar. So we know that if you prove triangles similar, they're supposed to have three congruent angles and three proportional sides. In the last lesson, we learned that you could have just two congruent angles and have angle-angle similarity. Today, what we're learning is that you could have three proportional sides, which is side-side-side similarity. And so if you have three sets of proportional sides, then that means the triangles have to be similar. And so you would set up your proportion, and if your three fractions or decimals are the same, then we know the triangles are similar. The other way that we can learn, state whether or not triangles are similar is through side, angle, side. And so if I have two proportional sides and the included angle. So right here I have the left and the right, but then I also have the included angle up top. So if you have two proportional sides and the angle that's squished in between them, then you can say that they're similar through side, angle, side. So the two new rules today are side, angle, side similarity and side, side, side similarity.